Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing too much. It's Lexi and I'm super excited because I'm about to get some feed-in braids, a super cute hairstyle I saw on Instagram. I asked Natasha if she could do it for me. She said yes. Since my trim, I feel like my hair has already grown, child. Like, what is really going on? So she's going to braid my hair. She put some beeswax, so this is the kind of stuff you see right there, some beeswax. I'm hyped. Natasha is back to do my hair. She was kind enough to blow it out and get me ready for the braid. So keep on watching if you want to see what we're gonna do.
Feed-in braids coming up. Stay tuned, guys.
You can follow her right here on the screen. Natural Touch Salon Studio, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So I'll put it down below and right here. Okay, guys. So this portion of the tutorial is Natasha separating my hair, parting it away, and adding the tiny little braids that separate the feed-in braids. I'm going to try my hardest to define everything and explain everything to the best of my abilities, but if you're not new here, you know that I'm definitely not a hairstylist, so just bear with me on if these terms are not correct or not. I'm just going off of what I see. I didn't show her blow drying my hair because I did a video on that like recently, so I will link it down below and up in the cards. But she was nice enough to blow dry my hair for me and begin this process. So what she's doing is parting my hair and basically just parting it and separating it for the actual style.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna give me.
She's going ahead and installing the tiny braids that separate the feed-in braids with my real hair first, just to get that out of the way and get the sections all even. And then she's twisting, loosely twisting the sections that the feed-in braids will go into, just to also get them out of the way and make sure that they're even.
So baby, what you gonna do?
She explained to me that just separating and parting the hair and sectioning it off would make the whole process faster and easier, as opposed to going in and styling just basically blind. So she's using some edge control and she's braiding the tiny braids down with my real hair. I want to stress in this video how important it is to find a stylist that is gentle with the hair, that knows how to care for natural hair and won't be rough and pull your edges out, because these are very small braids and you have to find someone that's delicate. You don't want to end up with no edges in a month. And I was like, obviously I care about my edges. So she went ahead and did this around the whole entire head with edge control and those tiny little braids. She did an amazing job on the sections, as well as just making the hair look super, super neat without making it hurt like crazy. So now we're going to begin the process of installing the first feed-in braid. I believe I'm going to show you guys at least 2 times this installation, so at least you have a good idea of how she did it. She's going in with edge control and then using that comb to kind of flatten and smooth my hair down. Going in with your hair blow dried is really important for a style like this, because you want the hair to be as smooth and sleek as possible, especially if you are natural. I know some of you guys may watch this video and have a relaxer, so it doesn't really apply to you. She's starting off with a regular, cornrow going back. She went back a few times. I'm not going to count and give you guys a number. And then she went in with a tiny piece of braiding hair. you guys will see that that hair is almost like a reddish color. I bought the wrong color. I bought it in the hair store. I thought it was black, child, and it's not. But it doesn't matter. You can't hardly tell. She went in with another piece of braiding hair, basically feeding in, literally feeding in the braiding hair as she's braiding. I thought this was super cool. Watching it, it looks really cool. I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm always so impressed by stuff like this. So yeah, she's braiding the hair down and adding more braiding hair as she goes along. That makes the hair get bigger. Obviously, the braid gets bigger, it gets thicker, and it's a gradual change. As opposed to, you know, back in the day, we used to have the big bulb on the front of our braid. People still do that, and I would do it if I wanted to, but it's just like a better version of that, adding the extensions without having that big bulb in the front, and it looks more natural. Well, way more natural. So far we've added, I believe, 3 pieces of braiding hair, and each time she adds braiding hair, the braiding hair is a bigger section. She adds more braiding hair each time we're putting in hair. I really hope you guys are following what I'm saying. And if you're not following what I'm saying, you can clearly see what she's doing. And then I believe we're gonna add one more piece of hair right there, which again is thicker than the last. And she's braiding it in, she's feeding it in. I'm too hyped right now.
It's KURLS.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me now, they want to know. Top me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top me in the bed, to my calm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me one go me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key.
So I hope you guys got a good idea of what this process entailed. I don't want the video to be super long, but I'm just showing you guys that after she finished all of the feed-ins all around my hair, she did the back section going upwards to create a ponytail. You will see in a second. She went ahead and braided the hair down to my desired length. The hair was really long and not the length that I really wanted it to be. I'm just not good at buying hair. I bought the wrong color and the wrong length, child. It was a mess. But she worked with me. So she went ahead and burned the ends using a flat iron. Now this is obviously optional. You can use rubber bands on the ends. You can seal the ends whichever way that you want to. Just show you guys the method that she used here.
In the pride, them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2.
Let me tell y'all, feeding braids is not for the faint of heart, okay? I was tired, I wasn't even doing nothing. So now she's finally adding the braids going forward. I love this style. I just freaking love when people have the braids going forward. So I had to get it done on this style as well. She's again feeding in the hair using bigger pieces of hair as she goes along to create the feed in braid going forward. I know it's hard to see, but I want to show you the little part that she did it and the size of the hair that she used, just to get an idea of what she did here.
One time me never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me I wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man, I telling me they go.
And I'm about to show y'all the finished look. Ooh, oh my god. No, for real. It's beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Natasha did her thing, and she isn't even a braider, and she made it happen for me. I was just so in love. I'm still so in love. She did add some jewelry after this portion. I didn't get it on camera, but you can follow me on Instagram for the finished look with the jewels and everything. I just freaking love it. It's so pretty. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share the video, please. And I will see you in the next one. Ooh, shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
But baby, mix it.